Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best lift kits for F150 that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the MotoFab Lifts F150 2.5F 3R. If you own a Ford 150 4WD truck and you would like to level out the front end and the rear end of your truck, you will need to buy and install a compatible lift kit that will perform just like that is made of high quality materials like the original parts. The MotoFab Lifts F150 2.5F 3R is a great product that will assist you to modify the factory rake of your truck to boost its ruggedness and give your truck a more aggressive and balanced look. While the product is only compatible with the Ford F150 4WD 2009 to 2018 version, it is made to withstand the rigors of off-roading driving and allows your truck to handle even better. Second on the list is the Rough Country 52230 2.5 inches leveling kit N3 shocks. Does your job require you to go out of the city and off-road, or it requires you to carry heavy goods and you do not like how your truck looks when you load the trunk? This complete lift kit from Rough Country gives your truck better balance, allows it to adapt to different road and off-road conditions, and gives it a more aggressive and impressive look. The product isn't only a leveling kit with N3 shocks, it's built and designed for Ford F150 2009 to 2019 trucks and performs just as well as your factory parts. The product solves your truck's original factory rake and levels out the front and the rear quite nicely for better performance and a more intimidating look. The parts are made from highly durable material and anodized so it can take a beating off the beaten path and will not corrode. Next up is the SCITOO lifts for F150 3F 3R. Are you planning to go off-road and discover the great outdoors with your friend and you want to upgrade your Ford F150 2004 to 2018 truck so it is ready to go beyond its limits? Then this leveling lifting kit is one of the best products for the job. It is also perfect for 2WD and 4WD F150 2004 to 2018 vehicles. The kits are machined, designed, built from 6061 T6 aircraft grade aluminium billet that will fit perfectly and adapt to unique off-road obstacles. Fourth on the list is the KSP leveling kit for Ford F150. Fourth on the list is the KSP leveling kit for Ford F150. Compatible with 2004 to 2019 Ford F150, this lift kit functions to lift the front end of the truck and level it out with the height of the rear end, allowing it to look more aggressive and navigate better in challenging terrains. Fabricated from extremely durable aircraft-grade aluminium, its black powder coating ensures that it is even more resilient against nature and her elements and does not corrode. The product lifts the front of the truck by 3 inches, which means your F150 can be fitted with 24 to 33 inches tires for more superior performance. Last but not least is the ZY lifting kits. To level out the factory rake of your F150 will require the Y lifting kits to get the job done so you are safe on the road and get the even height to look you want for your vehicle. ZY lifting kits lift the front and rear of your F150 by 3 inches and 2 inches respectively, and its bolt-on installation design ensures that this task is completed in 2 hours or less. The parts are made from high-density material using and machine manufactured for durability and precision fitting, so your truck looks like the off-road and on-road monster like you always wanted. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.